4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Holy crap, that's mental. It can be the most common bit in the corresponding position of all numbers of diagonals. 5 0 bits and 7. Okay, so then it's. Nope. I have to call this not general, it is text specifically. And then it equals that column 2 start number, column minus 2 number of characters 1. I don't know how many characters it is. Okay, like this. And then all the way towards the very bottom, I'm going to do insert one above. Column, or so row 2, column 2, row 2000, column 0, so if it's greater than that, 1, 0, 1, okay, so now we convert to decimal equals bind to deck of value. Oh no, bind to deck of concat okay, let's just do all this will shift left just so we have it all properly equals concat sure binary to decimal maybe I want to do value. Does that work now? Ah! What? Okay, wait a second. I see what I did wrong. These are both numbers. Nope. Does this not work? Why does that not work? Okay, whatever. 1916. Okay, part 2. You verify the lead support remaining, which can be determined by multiplying the oxygen generated by the C2 square rating. Okay, so this is recursive. If this equals row 2, column -1, then you do this, start num 2, 15, I don't even know how long they are. Ah, crud. It should be, those should be equal. Why are they not equal? Oh, because that's to text. But that should work, right? Oh, I see what I did wrong. This is the formula. Okay. Now we repeat. Oh no, it's not row column 2. It should be row column -1. Crud. Okay. So that's the value that we're looking for then. Nope. This is bad. I do the exact same thing, but I flip this. I scroll down until I find something that goes to the very, very end. It should be like this, actually. If 1 is greater than 0, then it should be 0. Otherwise, it should be 1. Because if they're equal, then you default it to 1. Which is what we said we would do. Oh, wait a second. So I find the number that goes the furthest. That'll be this one. But that again, I screwed up on. It shouldn't be as I said that. Which one goes the furthest? Let's gamble. It's this one. One 370. Come on, be right. Balls. Is there another one that goes beyond this? There must be. Oh, you're kidding me. Yeah, that one goes the furthest. Crud. That's the right number. Got 19 seconds to wait. But I don't know why bin to deck didn't work. Like, I don't know how to use that properly, apparently. Oh my god, I did it a second too early. Is that the right answer either? Can't be more than 10 characters? Jeez. This is right, is it not? That looks the most correct. I don't know what I did wrong. It takes the leftmost, right? Yeah. Leftmost. What? Yeah, so... So 5, so it's, what is that? It's 508. So the more popular one is 1. The more popular one is 0, so that should be a 1. Yeah. Then it keeps all the ones that had a 1 there. Yeah, and then it repeats. Yeah, this looks good. I don't see the issue here. So maybe the screw up was in me doing the next part. So maybe my second number is right. 3264, but the first one is wrong. I'm nowhere near the depth I was before. Why is this not going still? Wait, why does it say 1? Oh, it should be if 0 is greater than that, then it's 0, otherwise it's a 1. So it takes the advantageous one. Now you should have a number go all the way to the very end. So yeah, 0 was the most popular in this column here? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Must mean 2 0 numbers here. This guy didn't quite make it all the way. This guy did. So this has to be our number. 1370. Wait, what? Oh, if it's a tie, then you choose 1. So it's this number I should be doing. 1371. Oh my god, if that's what I did wrong. I swear. God